Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Data Analytics with Divya. Today I'm here to inform you about one more latest job update, and this is from Accenture. Before getting into the details, if you are new to my channel, I have uploaded few videos on SQL and I will continuously upload the latest job opportunity details in the field of data science. I will place the link of my SQL videos playlist in the description box, and you can find the same towards the top right corner in the iCards. Please have a look. Now, let's get into the details. Accenture is hiring for a position of Microsoft Power BI application lead. Now, let's see the job description of this position. It is a Microsoft Power BI application lead. This is from Accenture, and the location is from Hyderabad, and it is a full time position. And let's see the job description. Must have skills is Microsoft Power BI, and educational qualification is graduation. And let's see some of the responsibilities. Should be able to design, develop and implement Power BI reports and dashboards with minimal supervision. Should have good technical and analytical skills on SQL or SSIS or SSAS. Should be well versed with data modeling. Technical experience, experience of at least 3 to 4 years of Power BI. So if you have at least 3 years of experience in Power BI, you can just apply for this job. And must to have skills Power BI and SQL or DAX, that is Power BI DAX functions. PowerShell knowledge with experience of 6 months, and nice to have Azure skills professional attributes. If you know Azure, then that is a good to have skill. And they also mention that good troubleshooting skills, problem solving mindset, and should be able to provide inputs on data modeling. So just go through the job description once. And as I said, the location is for Hyderabad, and this is the latest job update. They updated this position just 2 days ago. So if you want to apply for this, I'm just pasting the link in the description box. You can just apply that by clicking on apply now button. Stay tuned to my channel and please like, share and subscribe to get more updates on latest job openings. Thank you.